Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge A-Level Information Technology Paper 4 Practical for the year May-June 2021. The first three tasks, the graphics, animation and spreadsheet tasks are already done. In this video I'll be doing the Mailmerge task, that is task 4. These are the files required. We have the files in the examination folder. Open renewals.rtf in a suitable application. You must use this file as a template for the Mailmerge. So let's open renewals. Read the instructions in the template carefully and insert appropriate merge fields to replace the instructions. The merge letters must be consistently formatted and of professional standard. Use ukclients.csv as the data source for the Mailmerge. So let's open the data source, which is UK clients. Open UK clients. So this is our master document. This is the data source. Let's arrange the columns. So we need to mail merge to any customers with subscriptions to Web Shield, Total Shield or Premier Shield antivirus suites. So those who are using these antivirus, they only need to be informed with the letter, and which are due to expire in June 2021. So these are the conditions we have to check. The data source file must be edited to calculate the number of years the client have subscribed. The offer code using the first character of the name of the antivirus suite. So first let us do the number of years the clients have subscribed. So the years we have to enter here. So I have to use a formula to calculate the years. I'm going to use the date difference formula or date diff formula equals. Now you can see some of the subscription expiry date is blank. So if it is blank, we cannot calculate the years. So if this is blank, we will display a blank cell here. Otherwise only we will calculate. So let's give if the subscription is blank, if this is equal to blank cell, then we have to display blank only. No need to calculate the years. Otherwise, I'm going to use a date difference function. Date difference function's format is start date, comma, end date. Then the format, you have to use Y for years, M for month and D for day. If you require number of years, we have to give Y. If you require month, you have to give M, and if you require days, you have to give D. In this case, we need the number of years, so I'll be using years. So the first format is the first date which we have to enter is the start date, that is the member since this date, comma, then the end date. End date will be in the subscription expires. This is the end date. Then comma, we have to give the format in which you need the answer, whether it is in years, month or day. If it is year, we have to just give Y in double inverted comma. And let's close the if formula. So if this is empty, empty cell will be displayed. Otherwise, it will calculate the difference between the two dates. Date diff function. The start date is this one and end date is the subscription expires. And if you need the answer in years, you have to give Y. If you need it in month, you have to give M. So in this case, we need years. So I'm giving Y. Enter. Now let's replicate. So wherever data is there, the number of years is calculated. Next one, the offer code using the first character of the name of the antivirus suite plus the number of years. That means for a subscription of 3 years to Web Shield, it would be W3. Here also same case, if it is empty, if this is empty, let's show an empty cell. Otherwise, only we will show the offer code. And we have to just concatenate or join the first letter of this one and the number of years. So we'll give equals if this is equal to empty cell, we will display empty cell only. Otherwise, we have to use a concatenate function. Concatenate function. So the first one is the first letter of the antivirus suite. So first letter, let's give the left function, comma 1. If you don't give 1 also, it will take the first character. And the second one is the number of years. Then give OK. So after that we have to close the if formula. So this is the formula which we have to use here. Now press enter. You can see it's empty because there is no data here. You can replicate and you will get the offer code. So we have prepared the data. Save the data source as merge data followed by your center number and candidate number. So before that, let's check the data. They have told you it should be Web Shield, Total Shield or Premier Shield antivirus suites that are due to expire in June 2021. So that means whichever expires in the month of June has to be only to those customers we have to send the letter, and to those customers who have subscribed to one of these antivirus suite. So if you check the antivirus suite, let's click on data and filter. You can see, in order just to see the data, which all data are there, we have 4 types of antivirus: Web Shield, Total Shield and Premier Shield, and one is free. So we don't need this free. When you are merging the documents, we have to make sure free is not there. And for the subscription expires, you have to make sure it is in June. So this is the required data. Now let's save this. They have asked you to save with the name merge data followed by your center number and candidate number. So let's save file, save as. Save as a spreadsheet so that the formula will be visible. It must be saved as merge doc. Merge data. Merge data followed by your center number and candidate number. Merge data followed by your center number and candidate number. Save. Let's close this. Now come back to your master document. We have to link the data source with the master document. For that, let's go to mailings, select recipients, use an existing list, select your folder, examination folder, and I'll choose merge data. Open. So this is the UK clients, give OK. So it's linked now. First we have to insert today current date in DD, MMM, MY format, YYY format. So let's first insert the date. Go to insert, date and time. So this is the date. Let's insert the date here. It might go to this side, just move it. The alignment, the punctuation, alignment, formatting should be maintained for all the documents. So this is the format. They have told you MMM, there is a hyphen here, so put a hyphen. In order to show the code, please, because I have set the document settings so that the code is shown, it is easy for us to insert the code. For that, you can go to File, Options, In advanced, please make sure in the show document content, show field codes are ticked so that you can see the code and it's easy to edit it. Give OK. So the code is this way. We have to show the. Now we have to insert the customer's full name. For that, go to mailings again. Insert merge field. Full name we have to give. Given name. Then a space. Surname. Insert customer's address fields one by one. So street address, city, zip code. Now we know that the date has to be in June. The date expiry date must be June, and we should not include the customers who have subscribed for the free antivirus. So I will use skip if. For that, go to skip record if the antivirus suite equal to free. And we have to also make sure the date is from 1st June to 30 June, because only the expiry date, which is in June, need to be considered. So for that, I will go to edit recipient list, then go to filter, go to expiry, subscription expires is greater than or equal to 1st June and expiry date is less than or equal to 30th June, so that it will only take the data which is from 1st June to 30 June. So the expiry date is in the month of June. Give OK and OK. So that conditions are satisfied. Now let's give here title and full name. So go to insert field, title, a space, given name, space, surname. Now your subscription to insert, so insert the antivirus version here. So select this, go to insert field, antivirus suite. Insert the date subscription expires here. So select this, then subscription expires. Now they had asked you to use this format, DD MMM format. So please make sure the punctuation, the full stop, everything is maintained. So select this. I will insert the subscription expires, and in order to make sure the date format which they have given, in order to set any merge field in a date format, you have to give /at. So / and @ must be given. Then you need to give the format. So here the format is DD and 3M. Now follow these rules to display the conditional text as described in the question paper here. So if you check, these are the conditions. Letters to customers who have subscribed for less than 3 years should include the following text. That means whichever customers have subscribed for 3 years, we have to give this condition, this text. Then letters to customers who have subscribed to Web Shield for 3 or more, this statement. For Total Shield for 3 or more years, this statement. And for those who have subscribed for Premier Shield for 3 or more years, we have to use this statement. So the basic two conditions are whether it is less than 3 years or greater than or equal to 3 years. Then if it is greater than or equal to 3 years, we have to make sure whether it is Web Shield, Total Shield or Premier Shield. So we'll give the conditions here. So I'm just going to remove this. Go to rules, if then else. So first I'm going to check whether the years is less than 3. If it's less than 3, we have to display this text. We hope you will continue. So this text. Otherwise I'm not giving, because we need to check more conditions. So give OK. So you will get the code this way. So this is the else case. Inside this double inverted comma, we have to give the else case. So I'll keep the cursor here. Again, go to rules, if then else. That means if it's not less than 3, it will be more than 3. Then we have to check whether, now we need to check whether it is equal to antivirus suite equal to, the first one is web shield. Whether it is, if it is web shield, if it's web shield, this statement should be shown. So if it is equal to web shield, the statement to be shown is this one. Since we have to check 2 more conditions, I'm not giving the else here. I'll just give OK. So if it is web shield, this one. Otherwise, so again I'll go to the else case here. Inside this, I'll keep the cursor. Now next, the condition is if the antivirus suite equal to, the next one is total shield. If it is total shield, we have to display this one. Paste it here. Otherwise, now we have only one condition left. If it's not web shield or total shield, it will be Premier Shield, because we have already skipped the records for free antivirus. So let's copy this. So in the else case, you can give this, because we have already checked for the other 2 conditions. Give OK. So this is the code. Now we have to insert your center number, candidate number, and so write the center number, candidate number, and the name. Save the merge document as renew merge doc. So let's save this file, save as, renew merge doc, followed by your candidate number and center number. Save. Now let's merge this. Before merging, I'm going to remove the option to show the code. Otherwise, the date will be displayed as the code. So go to Advanced, Show Document Content, remove the field codes. This is done just to make sure the conditions can be inserted easily. Give OK. Now let's check whether it's working. Click on Finish and Merge. Edit individual documents. Give OK. Now the letters are generated. The date has to be moved little more here, right aligned. This is not working. Let's check. Let's check the code. For that code, you just select this, right click, toggle field code, so that the code will be displayed. Actually, we have to keep this inside the bracket. By mistake, I have set this format outside the bracket. Should be just cut it. You have to paste it here and make sure the format is given in double inverted comma. And the date must be moved to the right side. So this is the correction which we have made. You have to give /@ inside the bracket after the field name, and the date format must be given in double inverted comma. Now let's check again. So save this, click on finish and merge. So you are supposed to get 7 letters, 7 records for each one, and now you can see the date format is correct. And you can see the Premier Shield, the condition should be as a reward for your loyalty. Let's check it's working. For Premier Shield it is the same condition, so that is fine. Now next one is Web Shield. Web Shield, you can see the condition. Web Shield is this one. As a loyal customer, we would like to upgrade to Total Shield. So this is correct. And for the here this customer, maybe this is less than 3 years, so this message is displayed. Total Shield. Yeah. All the conditions are working now. We have 7 letters. Now let's save this. Merge the letters and save the file as renew letters. We have to save this one. File, save as. Inside the examination folder, you have to save as renew letters, followed by your center number and candidate number. Save. So the letters are saved. So this is the end of the task. All other tasks, you can see the link in the description, the graphics, animation and the spreadsheet. Hope you liked my video. Please keep watching. Thank you for now.